Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add someone on Snapchat without saying added by search or added by username on Snapchat. So guys, if you want to add someone on Snapchat without notifying them, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, as you can see this, if you search here someone to add on Snapchat, then the notification will be sent to him that you have added this person with this search or with this username. So as you can see this, if I am searching for a person, so as you can see this, if I add this person by searching his name in the add friends list, then the person will receive a notification that will inform him that you have added this person by search or by username. And if you don't want to notify them, then there is another way. You have to simply tap on this profile and then tap on three lines button, and then you have to tap on send profile to and send it to anyone from here. So guys, if you want to hide the notification, you have to simply send this to anyone, and after this go back and open chats and then go to that profile. So guys, he will see the message that you have sent recently or you have shared the profile. Simply tap on this and now tap on add button from here. So guys, once you add button from here, after viewing this profile in the chat, then the notification will not be sent to this person whether you have added this person by search or username on Snapchat. So guys, this is the way to hide or add someone without notifying on Snapchat. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.